Is your lawn suffocating? This dethatcher could be the answer. Is your lawn looking a little lackluster? Brown patches, thin grass, and a spongy feel underfoot could mean your lawn is suffering from thatch buildup. Let's explore a tool that can help. The SOYUS Electric Dethatcher Scarifier. Thatch is a layer of dead organic matter that accumulates between the grass blades and the soil surface. A little thatch is normal, but too much prevents water, air, and nutrients from reaching the roots. This leads to a weak, unhealthy lawn. Dethatching removes this excess layer, allowing your grass to breathe and thrive. It's like giving your lawn a fresh start. A healthy lawn is a happy lawn, and a happy lawn makes for a happy homeowner. The SOYUS Electric Dethatcher Scarifier is a corded, walk-behind machine designed to remove thatch and improve lawn health. It boasts a 12-amp motor and offers both dethatching and scarifying functions. Let's dive into the key features. This tool offers 2-in-1 functionality with interchangeable dethatching and scarifying blades. The dethatching blade gently removes thatch, while the scarifying blade cuts into the soil to promote aeration and root growth. It's like a spa day for your lawn. The SOYUS Dethatcher features a powerful 12-amp motor with speeds up to 3,000 RPM. This provides efficient thatch removal and soil aeration. It also has a 4-position depth adjustment ranging from 0.47 to 0.2, allowing you to customize the dethatching intensity. It also includes a 30L collection bag for easy cleanup of lawn debris. The quick fold design allows for compact storage in garages or sheds. The SOYUS Dethatcher comes with a 3-year warranty for peace of mind. With an average of 4.6 stars from over 100 reviews, the SOYUS Dethatcher seems to be a hit with homeowners. Many users praise its ease of assembly and use, as well as its effectiveness in removing thatch. One reviewer mentioned it saved hours of manual raking. Another said it paid for itself in one day's work. However, some users noted that the collection bag is a bit small. You can read more reviews on the product page. If you have a small to medium-sized lawn and are looking for an affordable and effective dethatching solution, the SOYUS Electric Dethatcher Scarifier is worth considering. It's a great alternative to manual raking or renting expensive equipment. However, keep in mind that it's a corded model, which may limit mobility. Also, the small collection bag may require frequent emptying. If you have a large lawn, you might want to consider a wider or self-propelled model. Don't let thatch suffocate your lawn any longer. The SOYUS Electric Dethatcher Scarifier offers a convenient and affordable way to improve your lawn's health. Head over to the product listing to learn more and see if it's the right tool for you. Check it out on Amazon today.